Ready? Start with Jada though. Why not Jada? Why Jada didn't appear?
I don't want to say for sure because I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah.
I don't know if she had a discrepancy with the time of her performance or what. However, I am keen to hear from her what her issues were.
So she was actually in the venue?
She was in the venue, yes. She looked quite relaxed, having a good time. And I heard she stormed out, upset. But I looked in the audience and I saw so many females waiting patiently for her.
Yeah.
Even just now, a lot of females was leaving saying that they really wanted to see Jada Kingdom, you know, so.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
We've
when
got
you,
a lot of that.
yeah, if you're an artist and you love music, I don't think you walk out on your fans like that.
Yeah.
You know, because we understand the rain came and set us back. We have no control over the weather. So obviously the show is gonna run a little late, you know? But I guess a lot of people don't really take stuff like that into consideration.
Okay.
But big up Jada still.
And the Valiant story, what's that with Valiant? He didn't show. Some people are...
No, Valiant was here.
I know he was
He
in
didn't
the
perform.
venue. He performed?
No, he didn't perform.
He didn't perform, right.
No.
So what's the explanation for that?
I do not want to say because there's a lot of stuff that happened that was seriously beyond our control because when you're doing a festival of this magnitude, it has to be controlled. You cannot bring 300 persons or 100 persons and try to dictate how the backstage is supposed to run. And we had issues with separating entourage, and that moved into one and two different scenarios. And I guess it didn't work over well with his team.
So his entourage was bigger than you expected?
Yes, and it can be big, but we have to make allocations to keep the backstage into the rules and respecting people's space. And when it goes wrong, we get the blame. So while trying to enforce some form of discipline, we come out as the bad guy.
So it's because you're enforcing discipline why he didn't appear?
I don't know if that's the reason, because even after we enforced the discipline, he was coherent. He was here and chilling and he was cool. But then I heard that he left. Yeah, so I'm just awaiting to hear what